How to change handle color for edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Edge Panels. After click on Edge Panels, make sure turn on Edge Panel button and click on Handle. If you want to change handle color to Edge Panel, so you will see change handle color from here. So you will select color from here, and after change color, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change handle color of edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.